Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to add animation to the entire text. Let's begin! Let's start! To change every frame of the text entered in the text layer, we use Source Text Property. Click the triangle button in the text layer to display the text property, then click the triangle button to expand it. Drag the playhead in the timeline panel to the position where you want to start animation. After moving the playhead, click the stopwatch button of the Source Text property to set the first keyframe. Move the playhead position where you want the text to change. In the Composition panel, drag and select only the characters you want to change from the text, and enter the characters you want to change them into. After you entered the characters, the Source Text property are automatically keyframed like this. Similarly, when we change the characters of other text and keyframes, they will be created like this. Play it on the preview panel to see the animation. Then, use the Range Selector to add animation to the text. When using the Range Selector, we can apply dynamic animation to the text. Expand the text layer and expand the text properties. Click the Animate button displayed on the left to open the menu. Click Position from the Animate menu. Animator 1 property has been added to the text properties. The Position property is added to the Range Sector 1 of the Animator 1. First, type -100 in the Y value of the Position property to determine the height in which the text moves vertically. When you expand the Range Selector 1, End property are displayed, so move the playhead to a position where animation is started and click a stopwatch button to create a keyframe. After creating the keyframe, change the End property value to 0%, and then the text will return to its original position. Drag the playhead to the position where you want the animation to end, and then change the value of the End property to 100%. If you click the play button from the preview panel, you can see the animation in which the characters of the text slides up like this. Then, change the value of the Start property to return the text to its original position. Move the playhead to the position of the keyframe at the beginning of the End property. Click the stopwatch button on the left of the Start property to create the keyframe. Move the playhead slightly to the right of the keyframe at the end of the End property to change the value of the Start property to 100%. Next, let's change the scale of the characters sliding up one by one. The selector is showed in the composition of the text, so you can change the scale by dragging it. Click the Add button on the right side of Animation 1 property and select Scale from the menu. Change the scale value to 200% so that the text can be expanded sequentially. If you play it on the preview panel, it will look like this. This is the end of the lecture on how to add animation to the entire text. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.